Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see who saved your post on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your Instagram app, and I'm going to go ahead, go back from this section, and what you need to do is you need to simply go ahead, tap on this three horizontal line on top right corner, and from this section you're gonna simply go ahead and tap on this option of account type and tools, and make sure to check it out what account your type is. Mine is professional, and you need to have your account in professional. If your account is in private account, then you will not be able to check the saved of your post. So make sure your account is professional account. Then you go ahead, gonna go back from this section, and you're gonna scroll and find a post of yours. Then you're going to go ahead, tap on the view insights, and here you will find this little bookmark icon, which is the save icon. Right, you can see here in the bookmark that it has been saved 4 times, but if you tap on that, it will not show you the account itself before the privacy concern. But you can go ahead, go to the audience, and you can check out the followers, non-followers, the account that it has reached once you have checked them out. But that's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.